Welcome back to Broke SEDC. Little Kubey action here for you folks. The Neo Flipper, gray titanium, belt satin, plain Jane flipper. Gray TI, overall length 7.13 inches, blade 2.99. Just couldn't get that 3-inch in there. Handle length 4.14. CPM S35VN coming at the 60-62 on this belt satin clip point, flat ground. Frame lock, riding on caged bearings. Classy and clean. Looks like a non-reversible frame lock. Dead nut center. Single flipper. You're not going to get no reverse flick on this, no front flip. Just the old flipper tab hanging out the back, but it does snap it very well. So right there, single deployment. Yeah, that's just not a keeper for me. I do like the blue touches with the gray titanium on the new premium Kubeys. Could have reset that pocket clip down in there if you're going to make it single-sided instead of just dropping it on top of the scales. Nice open design, barrel spacers. Great looking blade, very slicey. All 4 fingers rest nice on that handle. Little jimping back here in the in that resting position. Hardware, I mean, nice little blue touches, no more than need. Billboarding, pretty much on spot for Kubey. Little maker's mark out back, blade steel, and of course the Kubey on the front blade. But see, you've also got it on the pivot. Double duty there. I like it. It's clean. It's nice, but definitely not one I want to add to my collection. But if you're a flipper only kind of feller, this one might speak to you. It almost has that gentleman carry. Almost. I mean, you have just the top part of the stock hanging out there of the blade. But it would definitely get the deal done with its solid lockup, no play, side to side. Nice drop. Classy, elegant. These are all things that pop to mind. Just not my cup of tea. What do you think? You a flipper only kind of feller? Drop the comment. Why is a single deployment tickle your fancy? And hit that thumbs up button while you're here. Yeah, I think I hit it all. Stay sharp. Stay safe.